Hey everybody, and welcome to week 7. We've only got one more week and a day left. This week, you should be focusing solely on writing your final paper. Your second reflection assignment was due this Monday, and I should have most of your, if not all, of your Unit 2 assignments graded by now. So you should have grades and feedback for those by now. But this week you should mainly focus on writing your final research paper, and your rough draft for that will be due on Monday. Uh, One of the major things that I saw when I was grading your Unit 2 assignments is the theses, however you say that. Your thesis needs to be narrow and specific. It needs to have a main claim that is debatable, so it's not so broad that it covers too much for you to handle in one paper. So every assertion that you put forth, or your main claim, you're going to have to provide backing for evidence. So if your thesis is too broad, then that puts the onus on you to come up with a large amount of evidence to support that very broad thesis. So you want to have a very narrow, focused thesis statement. And it should include your main claim, that's the big idea, the big point of your paper, and then how you intend to support that. So your support points are the reasons why that main claim is true or valid. Those reasons are going to be what you construct your body paragraphs around. So each body paragraph will have a topic sentence that clearly states one of those reasons and then goes on to give examples supporting those reasons through your source material. So through direct quotes or paraphrases or summaries that all need correctly formatted in-text citations. So the thesis really is the most difficult part of this paper. Once you get your thesis written, everything else is kind of downhill. It's sort of like coloring by numbers. Once you understand what it is you're trying to say and then how you're going to go about proving that, the rest is just sort of filling in the blanks. So look at the supplementary materials on Blackboard about introductions and conclusions, also about thesis statements. Remember, I'm here Tuesdays and Thursdays, 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. If you want to Google chat me, if you want to email me, if you want to call me, if you want to stop at my office, I'm available to help out. So remember that this week you should solely be focusing on getting a rough draft of your final research paper written, and then that's going to be due on Monday of next week. And then we'll go over peer review and how to do peer review, and then how we're going to handle conferences. All right, I hope this was informative, and I will talk to you guys soon.